Is way forward, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Form. So before you can be able to use Google Form, you must have a Google account. So let's go Google Form, then create Google Form. Go to Google Form. Okay, I want to create an account. I want to create a form with this account, so I'm switching to my desired account. Let me just close this too. So probably in your own case you might just have one account here, just continue, click on blank. But in my case I have two accounts. I have my own account and this other account, but I want it to be created with this account, so that is why I switched it. So it's not necessary you switch, then you click on blank. So it's quite simple. You can decide to walk yourself through, but if you know you get this, just close it. So this is the main this is the first thing you're gonna see. So you can give a title here, the form description, then you start creating your questions form. And the first thing you need to do is to add the title to the form. So I have it copied, so I paste it here. So each of my form has an header, so you click on this title to add an header. So the header is my biodata form. So I don't have any description here. Then I go to the first question. The first question is on full name. Then you pick the type of reply it's gonna be. It's a short answer because I need the user to just type the full name. You can make it required, so it's a compulsory field. Then you add the next question. The next question is membership number. Questions.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your
You can just cross check CIBN Lagos membership form, about data, full name, membership number, date of birth, office address, home address, telephone number, email address. So I didn't make all this compulsory because some users might not have this account. So after you have fully completed the form, then you can click on send. So depending on how you want to reach out to people, you can add an email here like that, or you can get the link. So you just copy this link, so you can forward this link to the people who you want to fill the form. Okay, so that's that about Google Form. Then you can just still come back to this place. You should have, okay, let's say yeah, okay, this is how it's gonna look like when you send it to the user. So anytime you come here again, you would see this form here, so you can just click on it. Once it loads, just come to the response. You'll be able to see people's response. This is the question. I think you can still edit the questions. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.